Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalaba USA. Today we're going to show you how to put your MA circulator into remote control mode via the RS-232. First, you need to select the menu. Use the down arrow button to select the serial, SER. And then you can go into the baud rate. Our default is 4800, but this can be changed to a number of different speeds based on your requirements. If you press the down arrow key, it will show you the parity, in this case PTY. This can be even, which is 2, none, which is 0, and odd, which is 1. Our factory default is 2. If you select none, it changes the data bits in the stream. And last, we have handshake, indicated by HS. Our factory default is hardware, but you can also select software as an option. So we go back one menu, go to CFG for config, RT, which stands for remote. Right now it's off. If we press it to on, press OK, press the back key. Now you will see R off in the display, indicating that it is in RS-232 control mode. To remove it from that mode, simply go back into the menu, back to CFG, the configuration menu. Press down to get to the RT. Change it to off, press OK, and exit out, and you will now see it says off in the LED display. That is how to set up your MA circulator for use with the RS-232 interface.